Yes, hello. My name is Joseph Shaban. I work for an engineering consulting firm here in Florida. And I would like to do a video, a short one, I might add, about just in general the responsibilities of engineers in general when it comes to fiduciary duty. And then, most importantly, ethics and bias and neutrality. As everybody knows, we all work for a living and we need to get paid for our time and our services. So I noticed during my career, 30 plus years, some engineers, they have high ethical values. Some engineers or architects or in general professionals, they do have uh, ethics and they adhere to the high standards set by the industry to provide engineering, not only because of the amount of contract funds or payment that somebody is compensated for, but more importantly, the accuracy and the truth as we report and document structural or engineering issues or especially with claims for payment by insurance companies and other entities. As such, some engineers also tend to sway or bend the facts or the truth a little bit just so they can have a favorable result to their client, which at the end of the day will be the one who's paying their bill. Now, as we know, ethics and the rules set by the Florida statutes in general or any other state where the licensing is enforced, that the engineers have to have uphold with the highest standard of due care, which is a fiduciary duty upheld by the law to report facts and report the truth as what we see, not just speculate, or we have room for assumptions or within certain inferences based on the evidence we see as far as the damaged structure or building. But in essence, we are limited by what is reported as to be the truth, and not just uh, an opinion based on nothing. As you know, as a matter of fact, engineering principles will apply. For example, let's say a house was damaged by wind or surge, and then there's a question on whether it's wind or surge or both, or defective materials or defective design. So there's a lot of factors involved, and the engineer, in some cases, he or she may, uh, for lack of a better term, use their time inefficiently just to report certain facts or certain things that may or may not be true, just to satisfy their client, so that they can maintain a good relationship and maintain business, which is a very difficult thing to do in order to stay neutral and have an unbiased opinion, whether no matter who is paying for the engineer's time. It should be irrelevant as to the neutrality and the integrity of the report, which is at the end of the day, a report or a plan by the engineer is the end result of the services provided or the product based on mental impression of the engineer that's producing this report. Anyway, so this will be a short video. Hopefully this will have shed a light on ethics, but I would like to talk some more on this subject in later videos. If you like this video, please put a comment below, and I will subscribe to my channel, and I would list more videos in the upcoming weeks. Thank you so much for listening, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.